If you've ever wanted to know who's viewing your TikTok profile, or if they can tell if you're viewing theirs, keep watching this video. So in order to do this, what you want to do is you want to open up TikTok, put my glasses on real quick, open up TikTok, and then you want to look at the top of your profile. All right, this is if it's not turned on, okay, so that you can see who's viewing your account. All right, it has footprints, 2 footprints right there next to that arrow that's to the right. Click on that. Viewer history, okay, it's right there in plain sight, and it's going to ask you, it's telling you 241 people have viewed your profile. Do you want to see who's been viewing your profile? And then of course it's going to also tell them that you've been viewing theirs. All right, so you can not now, or you can turn on. So we'll hit turn on. Now that I've done that, boom, all of these people right here have viewed that profile. Now that's my second account. It's a smaller account. And so you can see right there, you can choose to follow them or anything of that nature. Okay, and at the bottom it says people who've viewed your profile in the past 30 days will appear here. Only you can see this. Okay, they can't tell that you can see that they viewed their profile if they don't know if they had that feature turned on or not. The top right, if you click that, you can turn viewer history on or off just by a simple toggle, just like that. All right. So if you wanted to refresh your account, you can go back there at any moment and just see, and that's pretty much, it's simple. That's how you do it. It's 2025. It's right there in the front with the footprints. All right. Let me know if this helped you out. Let me know if you didn't even know what that was. All right. And subscribe to the channel. I got other tips and videos on this channel that can help you out when it comes to social media and the different things with growing your account. Now, another thing I do want to add, if you don't want people to even know your account exists or even to find your account, you can go to privacy, okay, and in there, the third one down says suggest your account to others, or if you want to sync contacts and Facebook friends. Okay, you click on that, you can make sure that it's either turned on or off, okay, such as Facebook friends as well. All right, turn it off. And that way, you can just, lay low and, do your TikTok journey and have fun.